Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making spicy steak ramen noodles. Alright, I'm starting out in my multi-pan I'm preheating, and I put enough olive oil in to coat the bottom of the pan. I have roughly 3 pounds of top sirloin steak here I cut into strips. We're going to get that in there, brown it up, and cook it through. Alright, now that my steak is all browned up and cooked through, I have it set aside. In a saucepan, I'm going to cook 3 packs of these ramen noodles. We're not going to use the seasoning packet, but don't throw that out. We use our beef flavor. That'd be good for making a gravy or a soup or whatever. I'm going to get these in here, and I'm going to boil. I think I'm going to do 4 of them, guys. I have 4 packs, I'll do all 4. And I'm going to cook these for 3 minutes. So I'm going to get them in here. I'm going to cook them. Okay, while my noodles boil, we're going to make the sauce for over our noodles and steak. I'm going to start by, in a bowl, putting in a half cup of hot sauce, and I'm just going to eyeball this. You can use any brand of hot sauce, like I'm using Frank's Red Hot. I'm going to add in 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, and that's my timer for the noodles. Don't mind that. Just going to take them off the heat. Alright, now I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. And that finishes that bottle off. Remind me when I go to the store, guys, to buy my Worcestershire sauce. 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. And 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. And I'm just using heaping teaspoons here, since I can't get a tablespoon down into my garlic jar. Alright, now I'm going to give this a stir. Get it all blended together. And I'm going to taste it to see if I need to add a little more brown sugar in there. I'm going to add just a little bit more because that's still a little spicy, and that'll help mellow it out. Yeah, that's tasting good there. It almost tastes like a spicy barbecue sauce. Right now, to my steak, I'm going to add those ramen noodles I did. I drained them, we'll get them in there. I'm going to add in some chopped green onion. It's probably about a half a cup, or close to a half a cup. Then I'm going to add in that spicy sweet sauce we made. Move these aside just for now. You want to scrape your bowl and get every little bit of that goodness out. I take my tongs and I'm going to toss this together. You just want to mix everything together well. Now that I have my steak and my noodles all coated good, this is ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Alright guys, let me get in here and try this. And if you could smell my kitchen right now. Get a big heaping spoonful of noodles there. It's really good. You get spicy, you get sweet, a little heat in the back end. And I thought it would be really hot and vinegary, but the noodles really tame that down. I'm going to try a piece of that steak. And guys, a good piece of steak that's not going to run you $1 million, like New York strip or T-bone or prime rib, whatever I'm trying to say. I don't know. The top sirloin, this is like $7 or $8 a pound. Really tender. Really delicious. That's a really quick and easy and delicious, packed with flavor meal there. So there you have it, spicy steak ramen noodles. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya. Alright, I'm starting out in my multi-pan I have preheating. And so then I'm going to add enough olive oil to coat the bottom of the pan. You don't want a whole lot because you're not going to be able to get the oil out once you put it in.